Jam and marmalade both are very popular fruit preserves that are made by cooking fruit with sugar. Both has a lot of similarities but not the same. In this video we will talk about the basic difference between jam and marmalade. Origin. The origin of jam can be traced back to ancient times. The process of preserving fruit by cooking it with sugar dates back to the Middle Ages, when sugar became more widely available in Europe. The word jam comes from the French word confiture, which means fruit preserve. The first jam recipe is attributed to Marcus Gabius Apicius and dates from 4th century AD Rome. The origin of marmalade can be traced back to the ancient Greeks, who created a quince fruit preserve that was similar to modern-day marmalade. The word marmalade comes from the Portuguese word marmelos, which means quince, as the first marmalades were made with quince fruit. Marmalade as we know it today, made with citrus fruit, became popular in the 18th century in Britain. It is believed that the recipe for orange marmalade was developed in Dundee, Scotland in the late 1700s by a woman named Janet Keeler. Ingredients. Jam is typically made with different types of mashed or chopped fruit or vegetable with sugar and pectin, while marmalade is made with citrus fruit, such as oranges or lemons with sugar and pectin. Marmalade also often includes the fruit peel, which gives it a bitter taste. Texture. Although jam contains whole mashed fruit, but jam has a more smooth, spreadable texture than marmalade, while marmalade is chunky and less spreadable because it often has pieces of fruit peel. Flavor. Jam is usually sweeter than marmalade, as it is made with a higher ratio of sugar to fruit. Marmalade, on the other hand, has a tangy, bitter flavor due to the citrus fruit and the inclusion of the fruit peel. Uses. Jam is typically used as a spread for toast or sandwiches, as a topping for yogurt or ice cream, or as an ingredient in baked goods like biscuit, cookies, pancakes. Marmalade is often used as a glaze for meats or as an accompaniment to cheese, also adds sweetness and citrus zing to chicken, ham, seafood, fruit salads, cakes, cookie bars, and more. Cooking time. Marmalade usually requires a longer cooking time than jam because the fruit peel needs to be softened. Pectin content. Citrus fruit has a naturally high pectin content, which means that marmalade does not usually require added pectin to thicken it. Jam, on the other hand, may require added pectin if the fruit being used has a low pectin content. Sugar content. Marmalade requires less sugar than jam. The ratio is 3 kg fruit 1 kg sugar. To make jam, we use 1 kg sugar for every kilogram of fruit. Popularity. Jam and marmalade are popular in different regions of the world. Jam is more commonly consumed in North America and Europe, while marmalade is more popular in the UK, Ireland, and Australia. Varieties. Both jam and marmalade come in many different flavors and variations. For example, there are many different types of jam, such as strawberry, raspberry, and blueberry, while marmalade can be made with different types of citrus fruit, such as grapefruit, orange, lime or lemon. Popular dish. Both jam and marmalade are used to make different types of dishes. Some popular dish using jam is Victoria sponge cake, jam crumb bars, coulis, monaka and many more. Some popular dish using marmalade are orange marmalade cake, brie and marmalade grilled cheese, orange marmalade pork loin, holiday turkey with honey orange glaze and many more. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you also know more difference between them, then please comment down below and also subscribe my channel. And obviously don't forget to tell me which one is your favorite.